Commander-in-Chief of the Ukrainian Armed Forces Valery Zaluzhny shared this video on the social medias, saying the attack describes a highway to hell for the command post and support point of the 35th Army of the Eastern Military District of the Russian Federation. The video shows artillery or missile strikes on Russian targets. Now let's see the other videos published by Ukrainian Ministry of Defense in the last 24 hours. The best one for today for sure is this attack on a tank in the besieged city of Mariupol, which is provided by the famous Azov regiment, which is fighting in an epic battle against the Russian aggressor. This is of operation of Ukrainian-made anti-tank missile, Stugna-P, which is also very effective against Russian armor, side to side with American Javelin. This video shows destroyed and abandoned whole Russian armored columns. Here we can see two destroyed tanks. Here is another carnage among Russian armored formations, and this brings the question, how much tanks Russia still possess? And at the end, destroyed self-propelled gun. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.